on. Yo. Woo! Light it up. That's fucking solid, dude.
I can't see his car.
Yeah, it's gone.
And this is the aftermath. Well, there's part of his tire. Oh, he's back for more.
Dude, that's a fucking long piece of fucking rubber, bro.